Sa ibang balita, pinalayas sa pagdinig ng House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability ang hepe ng Legal Department ng Office of the Vice President na si Attorney Emily Rose Torrentira. Ito'y dahil sa hindi naman siya imbitado sa hearing, walang otoridad na kumatawan sa OVP at nagmatigas pang at hindi nanumpa na magsasabi ng totoo sa pagdinig na gaya ng ginawa noon ni Vice Presidente Sara Duterte. Sa apat kasing opisyal ng OVP, tanging si Torrentira lamang ang ayaw manumpa. Kaya't nagmosyon si Abang Lingkod Party List Representative Joseph Stephen Paduano na palabasin na lamang ang abogado sa bagay na kinatigan naman ng mga miyembro ng komite.
Since the good lawyer has no written authority coming from the Vice President. Second is that she never take her oath. So, Mr. Chair, first, I move that we strike out on record all the statement being made by the good attorney.
Seconded.
There's a motion raised by Congressman Paduano, duly seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
And second, Mr. Chairman, I move that we excuse the good lady attorney in this room and to request the SAA to escort the good attorney outside of this room. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Seconded.
There's a motion to excuse the good attorney from this room, which is duly seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
Your excuse, good attorney. Ayaw daw manumpa eh. Yun.